BG wealth sharing is not a legitimate investment opportunity. Multiple regulators and watchdogs have already flagged it as a cryptocurrency scam. The Reserve Bank of Tonga issued a press release warning that BG wealth sharing operates as a fraudulent scheme, while the Alberta Securities Commission here, ASC, placed it on their investment caution list. On Reddit and Facebook, victims describe being pressured to join, threatened over loans, and blocked from withdrawing funds. So BG Wealth Sharing uses Ponzi style scheme tactics, relying on new deposits to pay earlier members while aggressively recruiting more people. There's no transparency, no regulation, and no real investment activity behind the promises. So this is a scam. If you see this one on your website, on the ads, do not click on it.